on. It's hard to get the door open. I can't get it shut. Okay. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I had to get jelly in here. I saw it coming. It was, oh my God. Oh, that's the first time for that. I lost the carpet off my bottom step. Whoa, this bus is shaking, man. Shaking. Poor thing, I took her off-road yesterday. Yeah, you heard me right, lunatics. I took her off-road. Down cow paths. Holy crap. I know the window is dirty, but there, you see that? See that? That's all sand. You can't even see the sun very well. Anyway, I went looking for some land yesterday, and they said it was rural. Yeah, rural, I guess so. Look, you can't even see that mountain over there. There's a mountain there, believe it or not. Sorry I have to shoot this from inside, but I'd never be able to breathe out there. It's that bad. But yeah, I was trying to find this property, and turns out half the roads out there don't even exist. And the realtor apparently had never been out there, and she didn't tell me that. Holy crap, look at that. I hope you can see this. It's just, I'm gonna stick this out the door again, and hopefully you can see it without my phone blowing out of my hand, if I can get the door open. Oh! I don't know if you saw the rainbow or not. Oh, come on, door. Hang on, I need both hands for this. Okay. Jelly just went out for a leisurely pee, and I felt the wind picking up. And I'm like, what the heck? And then I just saw this mountain, like this wall of sand coming for us. I couldn't even see through it. The tower that's out there that you just saw, there's the rainbow again. Can you see it? But that tower right there, I couldn't even see it when it first came out. When the storm first came up. These winds are terrible. How come there's a rainbow? I don't know if I can get the rainbow or not. I don't think it's going to come out on this. Darn it. But sand is glass, so, you know, I guess it could be a prism effect. Wow. Well, I just wanted to share that with you. I got my dinner cooking. So, yeah, we're going to stay in. We're going to stay safe. And hopefully, and this blows, no pun intended, over. Yeah, it's already letting up. It's already letting up, thank goodness. Okay. So, I love y'all. See you later. Bye.